How many dough balls do you have?
820. But we have gone through 400 already. So.
No kidding. Wow.
What time is it?
It's going to be a long night. Hey Matt, how's it going?
Good.
You guys are getting slammed here.
It's a good time at Festa Italiana. Yeah. Are you enjoying it?
I'm having a great time.
Good.
So can you multitask? Can you talk while you work?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So what's the process here?
We have we're doing 6-inch pizzas. So we're doing 130-gram dough balls.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm basically just stretching. And we got a team stretching and topping.
Yeah.
And we're cooking them as fast as we can.
Yeah.
Still not fast enough.
And this is a technique you learned from Enzo.
Yeah, the Neapolitan slap. Yeah.
The Neapolitan slap.
So yeah, we protect the crust. We push all the air out to the crust.
Right.
With our hands, and then when we slap, we're just flattening the center and protecting the crust, basically.
Sure. How many dough balls do you have?
820. But we have gone through 400 already. So.
No kidding. Wow.
What time is it?
It's going to be a long night.
Oh, I don't know. What time is it?
It's 6:45.
6:45. We started at 4. So halfway through. Yeah, we're gonna have a long night. We'll be here.
All right. Well, you're looking great.
Thanks, Albert.
How's Brick Fire doing?
Brick Fire is doing great.
Oh, that's great.
And white line. And we got Onda Pasta next door and Pizza Mamo.
Oh yeah,
We're doing 3 booths here today.
Wow. Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Okay.
Good times.
Okay. And what kind of pies are you making?
We're doing a margarita and we're doing a pepperoni quotes because we use sopressata salami.
Sopressata instead of pepper. Yeah. That's great. So you're moving on down the line. You dress the pizza and then it goes right into the oven.
Yeah.
And I believe that's a Forno Bravo oven that you have here.
Yeah. James Orlando, Fato Mano.
Fato Mano.
He's prepping for the World Pizza Champion, so he was kind enough to let us use his oven for this.
Awesome.
It's a beautiful thing.
And I heard you're heading to Pizza Expo yourself.
Yeah, Monday.
That's great.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, we met each other at Pizza Expo.
We did in 2015, wasn't it?
Wow, yeah.
10 years ago.
Oh my goodness. Please.
Yeah. Wow. We were trying to get coffee and it was out and Albert goes by, he's like, if you just lift the back, you can get, and you have to squeeze all the coffee out of them. And we noticed the name tags were both from Hawaii, so.
That's now right.
Yeah, the rest is history. We've been friends ever since. So.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
So Matt, doing 800 pizzas, you can't do it by yourself. It's really an operation, right? So you're kind of stretching it out.
Yeah, we got 3 of us stretching, 1 cooking, and 1 expo cutting.
Oh, wow.
And then garnishing.
Yep.
We put oregano on the pepperoni.
Yeah.
We're getting more marks.
You know Alyssa, our head pizzaiolo at Brick Fire, is on the oven.
All right. Hey, Alyssa.
On the left. One more time.
So as long as I got you, can you explain the Neapolitan slap?
Slap? Sure. Yeah. It's kind of it's a movement of stretching the dough up your arm. So you're essentially you're having your hand under the crust and always under the crust. You're always protecting the crust. So fingers here, and you're just pushing it up your arm and turning it. Pushing it up your arm and turning it.
Oh, wow.
And when you do it, when you get the hang of it, you kind of
Hey, come stai? Come stai?
Yeah, so you're just a way of stretching it without touching the crust. So you're protecting the crust always. So you can actually feel it. So if your fingers go underneath, you're just feeling the crust. And then you got a pizza. And then the crust will rise as you see.
Yeah.
And if you put your finger on it or you mess up the crust, you'll see it on the end product. You'll see it. So you're always protecting the crust. That's our saying. That's our motto for this style of pizza.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. And Neapolitan pizzas are just flour, water, salt, and yeast. It uses the heat from the oven to create steam. And the steam is what creates that rise. So we're just leaving enough hydration in there for the steam to rise and push that crust out.
Yeah. The pizzas look fantastic.
Thank you, Albert.
The crowd is busy. You should see the line on the other side.
I heard it's through the parks. I think people get excited when they see the wood fire oven.
Yeah,
You can smell it. Yeah, the chiave wood. It smells good.
Hey, Matt, thank you so much. You're really
Albert, always a pleasure. Thank you.